Good morning! Welcome to my channel. It's Mama Knows Best. Today we're going to cook Ampalaya con Carne. Here are the ingredients I prepared earlier. 400 grams of thinly sliced beef marinated overnight with 1 tablespoon of Knorr liquid seasoning, the original one, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Now the Corella or bitter melon. In the Philippines, we call it Ampalaya. It's not always available here in UK, so today we are using the equivalent Indian Corella. This is how it looks like. Wash well, cut in half lengthwise and remove the seed and the seed bed. We have to soak this in a brine solution, just water and salt to lessen the bitter taste. Then we have 60 grams of tinned salted black bean. We wash this as well to remove excess saltiness, and dry onions, mixed peppers, I prefer the red and the green one, then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Half of this will be used to coat our marinated beef before searing, and we've got Chinese rice wine, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now, for our stock, we have 1 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Mix thoroughly and it's ready to use. We have to drain our Corella. Now let's coat our marinated beef with cornstarch. Let's proceed cooking. Heat your pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. For best results, it is preferably to sear the beef in 2 separate 200 grams portion. Cook until light brown and set aside. We don't want to overcook this because we will be using this for the second time around. My work is done, guys. I need to hold the handle. It's very deep. That is because of the cornstarch. As you can see, guys, I changed my pan because for some reason the wok was dancing. So I've already put 2 tablespoons of oil, and to this I'm going to add our garlic. This is on a medium heat. And next is our diced onions. Stir till the onions is soft. And once the onions is soft, we are going to add our salted black beans. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to crush or to mash half of it. This is the reason why I don't put too much salt or dark soy sauce or light soy sauce here, because this is already salted. Then we'll add our rice wine. Oyster sauce. Next is our bell peppers. Amazing taste, amazing smell. The next is our Carella. I don't want to overcook our Carella, so I'll just toast this for a minute and then we'll add our beef. We don't want to overcook it to avoid losing the goodness or quality in the Carella. And this time is our beef. Beautiful. This time, lastly, we will add our stock. Add season to your taste. I'm going to add a tablespoon of original Knorr seasoning. I love original Knorr seasoning. And we don't want this too thick, so as you can see, the consistency of the juice is not too thick. Cover with the lid for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes has passed. Oh, beautiful. And that's my Ampalaya con Carne. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget as well to subscribe. God bless and bye-bye.